Hi guys, it's me Chris. So ito rin ba ang mga problema nyo sa mga alaga nyo? Tuwing sinusuklian nyo sila is naglalagas yung mga buhok nila. Well, kung yan ang problema nyo, watch this video till the end. Alam niyo ba na madalas na paglalagas ng balahibo ng ating mga alaga can be caused by nutritional deficiencies. And kapag mas tumagal pa yan at mas lumala, ay nagbibigay ito ng stress or anxiety sa kanila. Kagaya na lang ng pagiging matamlay nila, walang gana at wala ring ganang kumain, hindi masyadong active sa mga daily activities nyo. Kaya dapat para maiwasan ito ay andito na si Immune Booster from Castle Pet, a supplement for treating colds and boosting immune system in pets. This product contains immunoproteins essential for the operation and maintenance of the immune system in dogs and cats. It has a scientifically balanced formula with high absorption rates, supports the immune system, and enhances immunity. Tinutulungan din itong patibayan ng mga buto ng ating mga alaga at nagbibigay ito ng healthy na balahibo nila. Recommended feeding amount pala nito is 10 kg is 5 ml, 10 to 30 kg 10 ml, 32 kg is 15 ml. Take note, this product is not a medicine. It can be fed directly or mixed into food or drinking water based on the pet's intake. So kung gusto niyo ring mapanatiling strong and healthy ang inyong alaga kagaya ni Sparky, itry niyo na ang Immune Booster from Castle Pet.